Start game fresh. इसे सुन के दिमाग में क्या आता है?
Look at the packaging and the amazing names. I'm so excited to test like these. Let's go. First is Game Deodorant by Bella Vita Luxury, which is perfect for this T20 season. I love कि ये deodorant unisex है. Plus, such a luxury packaging at just ₹299 with buy one get one offer. This is literally a game changer. Next on the list is Stud Deo for men. I have opted for a bold yet cool look. These deodorants are super long lasting and make you smell like their name in just a few sprays.
Be the stud with this long lasting scent.
Next is a Deo Fresh, so that मैं इतनी गर्मी में भी fresh feel करूँ. I feel this one is perfect for all the players playing in the IPL season. It has notes of amber, musk and moss. You'll feel fresh throughout the day with long-lasting scent.
And there's buy one and get one offer on all these deodorants, which means you'll get 2 deodorants for just ₹299. So what is your favorite 1+1 combo going to be? Comment down your favorite deodorant.